Autotek in Denver, Colorado. And the reason I'm standing in front of this Aston Martin today is because we want to remind you that not only are we a certified Aston repair facility, but we actually have factory-trained staff that can take care of your vehicle. We have factory communication tools so that we can do the exact same services the dealerships perform at a discounted rate compared to their premium retail rate. We're here to remind you that even though the vehicle itself can be serviced at the dealership, and that is recommended from the manufacturer, that we here at Saul's Autotek have factory communication tools, factory-trained service technicians, and the exact same capabilities to take care of your Aston Martin. This vehicle itself actually came from the dealership directly to us with the specific note of, here's the quote from the dealership, we know you provide a better service and at a better rate, please take care of us and get it done. So we just want to let you know that if you've got an Aston, whether you're in the Denver area, anywhere in the surrounding metro, or even out of state, we actually offer pickup and drop-off service, concierge status with these vehicles, along with all luxury and exotic vehicles we service here at Autotek. Give us a call about your Aston. We're here 7 days a week to help keep you on the road. 303-919-7769.